Puedes
Okay.
comenzar.
I see a cow.
Good job.
Cow. I see a horse.
Good job.
A horse. Horse. Hi. I see hen.
Good job.
Hen. Hen. Hi. I see sheep.
Yes, that's exactly right. Oh, sorry.
I see a duck.
Good job.
I see a pig.
Oh, yes.
I see a goat.
Yes.
I see three frog. Bye bye.
Good job, honey. You're reading English.